the Bollinger Squeeze Basic indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the indicator. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is successfully applied to the chart, a distinct oscillator window will prominently appear at the very bottom of the chart. The Bollinger Squeeze Basic indicator is an exceptionally advanced and significantly enhanced version of both the traditional Bollinger Bands and the momentum indicators, meticulously combined with the Keltner Channel. Based on its precise calculations, it effectively generates clear and actionable buy and sell signals for us to utilize. The histograms displayed on the oscillator represent the market momentum. When the market momentum and momentum values are above the zero level, it indicates positive momentum and an upward trend in the market. Conversely, when the momentum values are negative and below the zero level, and the histogram is shown in red, it indicates negative momentum and a downward trend in the market. Additionally, in the middle section, we can carefully analyze the Bollinger Band Squeeze phenomenon. Here, when it is clearly highlighted in blue, it precisely indicates a Bollinger Band Squeeze, and when it is prominently displayed in red, it strongly signifies that the Bollinger Band is breaking out of the squeeze. The comprehensive method for accurately calculating the Bollinger Band Squeeze is also fundamentally based upon the Keltner Channel. Specifically, when the upper and lower bands of the Bollinger Band are positioned entirely inside the Keltner Channel, it clearly indicates the presence of a Bollinger Band Squeeze. Conversely, when these bands subsequently move outside the Keltner Channel, the accompanying histogram is prominently displayed in a distinct red color, unequivocally indicating a definitive exit from the squeeze condition. This particular phenomenon can be effectively utilized as crucial buy or sell signals for informed trading decisions. For example, here, the Bollinger Band has demonstrably entered a significant price squeeze, and with the clear appearance of a distinct red dot, it unequivocally shows us the definitive exit from this particular squeeze. Following this crucial observation, we then meticulously check whether the prevailing market momentum immediately after the Bollinger Band Squeeze exit is indeed positive or, conversely, negative, which is a vital step in our comprehensive analysis. If the numerical values are indeed negative and the histogram is clearly shown in a prominent red color, we can then confidently enter a sell position and consider this as a strong and definitive sell signal. And when the Bollinger Band effectively exits the squeeze and the momentum is also clearly positive, we consider it as a strong buy signal and subsequently enter a favorable buy position in the market. Okay. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the calculation period for the Bollinger Band. In the second input, we can specify the deviation period for the Bollinger Band. In the third input, we can set the calculation period for the Keltner Channel, as well as the calculation period for the Keltner Channel factor here. And in the last section, we can set the calculation period for the momentum values here. In the next two sections, we can enable or disable the alert notification when the Bollinger Band exits the squeeze state. The first input is for enabling alerts as on-screen messages, and in the second input, we can enable or disable the alert notification as a sound here. Well, my dear friends, we have now officially reached the conclusion of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We would be truly happy if you could kindly share your valuable comments and thoughtful suggestions